Hello, Test It Now friends, this is Joey Gomez, and I'm here to do another test on the software application Loom. Let's test it. So today, what I'd like to do is give you a brief rundown of what is Loom, what are its features, and why it would be an important or not important tool for you in your everyday use of screen recording. Loom software is a software that allows you to take a digital recording of whatever your screen is projecting. You can also add your camera. Hey, how's it going? I'm getting another picture inside of there. Inside of a picture. It's a picture inside of a picture. I'll take that off for now though. And in order to get to this point, you need to follow some specific steps. Right now is an awesome opportunity to get this software. Why? Because if you're a student or a teacher, myself being an educator that I am, I went ahead and got on the website as soon as I possibly could. It is loom.com. Go to their website. From there, you'll go to Get Loom for free. Now, there is a free choice you can get instantly right out of it. You don't have to have any teacher status or student status. But if you were to go for the sign-in options and you were to choose to sign in with a pricing choice, it would give you a little red indicator at the top that says for teachers and students free. So obviously at this time it's a very opportune time to get it. If you click on the start free trial, obviously it'll turn into $4 monthly, which is billed annually, $48 a year. You'll be able to get the software. So I'll go ahead and get past the login part and I'll go straight to using the software. Here I have it. I've already downloaded the application. Now when I start a recording on Loom, what will happen is it'll give you a timer window and it'll actually start recording. So I'll technically have 2 recordings going, but it'll give you an indicator sound and then you'll start recording whatever it is that you're trying to instruct. Now for me, in my education profession, I make sure that my students know what it is that they should be able to do on Loom software. So with this software, if I'm finished with the recording or while I'm recording, I can choose a feature with the Pro feature only the Pro feature does this, to annotate. So I can go ahead and go around my tester. Now there is one thing that I don't like about this, and that is with Loom specifically, they leave the annotation only to drawing, and although they can change the size, they can't really leave it for very long. It just disappears. Literally, if I'm drawing and trying to give instruction like I normally would, let's say on this shape, it would just disappear, and that isn't really functional for somebody like myself. Regardless, when you're done with the video, you can always pause it, kind of take a break, get back to it, or you can just stop the video entirely. It'll take you to a free Loom screen where you'll be able to watch the actual video that you've just created. It uploads very fast depending on how long it is. You can do a call to action button on the video. You can look at your other videos that you'll have on screen. You can share the video, you can download the video. There's just a number of things that you can do. You can check how many people have actually seen the video itself. What really I like about this program is the quality. If you have a good quality screen and you're able to record with a good graphic in the back like I have with my little tester, then you'll be able to really get quality image from the camera as well if you're recording. So this is something that a lot of instructors like to use. They like to have good quality content that's really easily accessible and can be moved very quickly. Speaking of moving it very quickly, how does this work? So if I go to, example, a Gmail account, and I was to send an email to one of my friends or somebody that I know, then when I complete the actual composition of the actual message as it comes up, you'll be able to see right here in this image, if it will ever come up, as an option in the actual message that I would write, there will be a little link at the very bottom, and there you would be able to see a loom feature added to. This is when you add it to your actual screen here. Obviously I'm not logged in under the correct profile, so if I switch my account from the one that I'm on right now to it, there'll be a little link down here, and you'll be able to see it. It's very cool because what happens is it literally allows you to send that link directly to the person you're speaking with, or you can always go back to this loom image. You can click share link, or you can choose Gmail, which will automatically allow you to send it from your Gmail. So with that, I hope this gave you a really brief idea of how Loom works. It's been fantastic for me. It's a yes for me. I would definitely use it as a software, and especially if I'm doing a form of instruction, it just makes it really easy to send it to the students if they're using a Gmail account, or if I have a Gmail account. It makes it very simple to look at, to have views, and it saves on a server that many people are able to access very easily with the click of a button. So if you're looking for something really simple, go check it out. Honestly, it is the time if you're a student or if you're a teacher. Otherwise, we just tested it.